Good morning, students. Today we will do one if-else program. So see, one program I have written here. Write a program to input three numbers, positive or negative. If they are unequal, then display the greatest number. Otherwise display they are equal. The program also displays whether the numbers entered by the user are all positive, all negative, or mixed numbers. So what is the question? The question is that we have to ask the user to give three numbers. Okay. Now the user will give any three numbers, any three. Maybe for example, you see here one simple sample input is given here. Say 56, then minus 15, then 12. Okay. The different numbers are given by the user. Now you see 56 minus 15 and 12. Three numbers are there. Out of these three numbers, which one is the greater? 56 is the greater, so you have to print the greatest number is 56. Okay, now you have to also show that the all numbers are mixed, positive numbers, negative numbers, or mixed numbers. Here you can see 56 is a positive number, minus 15 is a negative number, 12 is a positive number. So that is why this sentence is coming on the screen, that enter numbers are mixed numbers. Suppose the user has given 56, 15 and 12, not minus 15. So the answer greatest number is 56. Our enters numbers are positive numbers. Okay, and if the student user has given like this way, minus minus minus, all minus, so in that case the greatest number is minus 12. Okay, and entered numbers are negative number. Enters numbers are negative number. Okay, so like this way we have to display the numbers are positive, negative, or mixed, and the greatest number among the given three numbers. Okay, so let's start the program. So let's move to the BlueJ. Create a class here. We'll give the class name number. Right click, open editor. Okay, sorry. So now we will select the program and delete it. Now we will write here import java.util.star semicolon public class number static void main stringers. Okay, now we will write scanner is equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay, now we will take three variables, integer a, b and c, for the three different numbers. Now we will give one print here, system dot out dot print line, enter any three numbers. Now user will give any three numbers, so we will store the numbers here, sc dot next int. So this is the process to store a number. Okay, now the number b, sc dot next int. Okay, now c, sc dot next int. We have stored all the three numbers. Now first thing which we have to do here, that is we have to check the numbers are equal or not. Okay, so first of all, if they are not equal, the question is that if they are equal, then we have to display the numbers are equal, and if they are not equal, then we have to display the greatest among them. Okay, so first of all we will take that numbers are not equal. So then we will find out the greatest number among them. Okay, so we'll write here if a not equals to b. Okay, if a not equals to b, uh, OR gate b not equals to c, OR gate c not equals to a. We have to close from both the side, it is okay, like this way. So if any one number is not equals to any other number, I have used here OR gate, as because of OR gate any one condition if it is right here, then it will take as a the numbers are not equal. Okay, so one printing, what you have to do here, we have to give one curly bracket, and inside the bracket you have to find out the greatest number among them. So integer c we have to take here, and we will write here math dot max feature here a comma b. So you have to compare a and b, and you have to find out the greatest number among them, a and b, and that number we have to compare with the c. Okay, so we'll not here, sorry, it is not c, it is d, it should be c. Now a and b, you have to compare a and b, and you have to find out the greatest number between a and b, and then we have to compare that number with c. Okay, so we will write one c here, and we have to give one comma, close the bracket, and here you just close it, and then you write math dot max. So see, according to the math dot max formula, what we have to do, we have to compare any two numbers first of all. So what I have written, I have done here, that math dot max ab. Okay, first of all this function will run math dot max, and it will show you the greatest number between greater number among a and b. Okay, in between a and b, which one is the among greater number, that number will be compared to now c, as because after running this operation, this program function will run math dot max and c. Okay, this one will run, and now it will compare the final one, which one is the final greatest number, and that number will store in d, and then we will give a print here system dot out dot print line, and we'll write here the greatest number is plus d. Okay, see, now you have to close the curly bracket. So this way we have to find out the greatest number, and if they are not equal, that means they are equal, in that case we have to write here else system dot out dot print line. What is the question? According to the question, we have to write input three numbers, if they are equal then display the greatest number, otherwise they are equal. So you have to write here they are equal. Okay, finished this much. Now we have to calculate that the numbers are all positive or all negative or all mixed numbers. So in that case we have to write if. Now how to find out the number is a positive, negative, or mixed, positive or negative? This is a simple process. If the number is more than 0, it is bigger than 0, that means it is a positive number, and if a number is less than 0, then it is a negative number. Okay, so 0 is the middle point. Okay, if the number is less than 0, then it is a negative number, and if the number is a bigger than 0, then it is a positive number. So what we have to write here, we have to write here a more than, if a more than 0. Okay, and get b more than 0, and get and c more than 0. If all these numbers are more than 0, then once and printing line will come here, system dot out dot print line all positive.